para mag-camping. Hey! Let's go! Big mo pa 9. Yes.
Smell mine.
Mami. Gising si Mami? Gising si Mami?
Yes. That's why you have up and running sticker.
Tito gave me.
I want. Look, do
Hey,
you want?
hello.
Oh, where's the up and running?
Give it to them.
I want.
Lapit na. Safari.
Pamela talagang umaalog talaga. Natakot, nakahawak talaga.
Ma'am.
Let's go. Welcome. Dito ka kaya tabak mo.
Lalakas ka dito.
Kailangan siya kaya ito minsan. Spartan ba ang tawag doon?
Let's go. Ayan na. Let's go. Kayang kaya yan. Oh! Oh! Kaya. Matigas naman yung ano eh, daanan.
Mas grabe pa rin yung sa amin. Grabe yun.
Let's go.
Napasaba.
Let's go.
Unang saba.
Nasa bundok na tayo.
Oops, lumagpas.
May lilini yata yung kahit motor guide. Ito. Okay. Dito pala tayo. Kita ng New Zealand. New Zealand in the Philippines. Saka yung mga snow, pine trees. Okay nga yun, medyo mabigat eh. Kasi may kapit.
Akay sa maga.
Kapit yung dulo.
So pabigat tayo po.
Kapit.
Let's go.
Let's go.
Talag yung mga bata. Wala na tayong signal.
Ayan.
Wala na signal.
Wow. Lapit na. Lapit na yung bundok. Tsaka yung lake.
Alain mo. Or alone.
Tulog pa rin yung mga bata.
Para silang dinuduyan.
Mami.
Hello. Sleepy yung mga bata.
Ayan. Phase 2. Ito na. Dito na. Ganda. Hindi. Talagang 2 tayo nakarating. Yun yung doon yung malapit yung CR na sinasabi ko eh.
Paano giniba?
Iba yung ano natin. Pagdaanan. Oh, wow, ito na ang lake. Ay, Rubo. Kinandong na yun pala.
Hindi, manood pagka ano natutulog kinubuhan niya. Set up na ako.
Halos solo natin.
Ganda naman.
Ayan, mami.
Hello, we're here sa wakas.
Diyan na ako rin naman.
Hina ako muna, sir. Okay na, okay na.
Diyan na ako rin. Ota, nung kaya, lipat mo. Noti ka pang buring na 5 pwesto.
Ay, pinanaan mo pa akong bumaba, anak, ha?
Wow!
Mori,
Don't go in the water, ha? Ay, bawal pala sa tubig, ha? Don't go in the water. Setting up mga tent. Other one.
Tapos isa.
Ilan ba to? Paano wala? Magparaparas na natin.
Ayan, yung mas mahaba. Yung mas maikli sa harap.
Ah.
Ayan.
Balik mo pa ng sa Sambales.
May chest din pala sila Mori eh.
Okay, ma'am.
Hello. Welcome. Up and camping.
Go! Wala ako yung hangin eh. Andun yung hangin. Kaya kayo eh. Let's go! Sa makatali sa anin. Presidential suite. Kaya kami, deluxe. Good kwarto. Ay, magdalaya na yata yung hangin. Wah, lipat ang kawaran, mas madikot. Hello.
I'm just playing chess. Me too. I do my own business. Okay, are you gonna go near? Oh, what's that? Yeah, the then when I okay.
Hello po. Okay, what are you doing?
Camping
Camping? Where are you?
to the moon.
What?
Setting up mga tent. Other one.
Tapos isa.
Ilan ba to? Paano wala? Magparaparas na natin.
Ayan, yung mas mahaba. Yung mas maikli sa harap.
Ah.
Ayan.
Balik mo pa ng sa Sambales. Ito ang perks ng may chef sa camping. Wow! Yay!
Siyempre,
Siyempre,
beef belly.
Oh, gourmet! Beef belly. Smoke. Wow!
Yes.
Yes.
Sorry.
Up to you.
Why? If you don't go here, kainin lang yung kanin.
If you don't, we will not eat today.
Iwan ko na lang kayo, Mari, para hindi ka...
Yan tama.
Oh my God!
Wow, pa daw ano eh.
Ay, sorry po.
Tanawa. Tanawa.
Hi. You have it on fire.
Good morning!
Show the view, anak. Show the view. That one pa, dito pa, the lake. Sige pa, the other side. 0.5 pala. Let's go. Kaya na.
Oh, sige. Ganito ang camping sa Lake Mapanuete. Ito yung view natin. Duyan-duyan lang. Si Lars. Lars. Sama natin. Hello. Oh, video. Mga kumakain. Oh, dito muna. And that's it. Oh, video.
Yummy.
Mom, I want to sing, I know, like, what don't have. I want.
Oh, look at me.
Sinigang.
1, 2, 3, smile. Wow.
Mom, I want
Gusto na
sinigang.
sinigang nito. Video yan pala.
Video pala. Akala natin na camera. Ay, photo. Video yan pala.
Ang lake.
Video into camera. Ay,
Lalakad. Next. Enjoying the view. Next.
I'm gonna
Go.
drop my good stuff. I'm gonna go collect my good stuff.
Anong sa akin?
Wow!
Ito tayo.
Mga ano pa yun? Bird ba yung daddy?
It's hot!
Bird ba?
Oh, mga bird yan. Bird bee. Bird bee.
Go.
Don't
We're going on an adventure.
Yeah, adventure
And
guys.
with the
Sugulilit.
mga bulilit.
What bullshit?
You guys are the bulilit.
Pakita mo doon yung gagawin nila.
Mm.
Oh, two.
I want like that.
Next. Get your own.
Wait,
Get
are
your
you gonna
own.
get me one? Why should you get me one? Yeah, get your own.
Yeah.
Follow me. How will you follow me? Even without big rock. I showed the boat. I showed them boat. This one flat.
Mm.
This one flat. No.
Yeah, it is.
Oh,
Stop picking up the poop. You've been picking up the poop the whole time.
This one, Daddy. Is it ano flat?
Okay,
Yeah.
pwede to? Natin.
Yeah, ganyan.
Ganun naman.
Enjoy.
Daddy,
Let's walk over here.
this one. It's like near me. Okay, only near me. It's far, only near me.
Go!
Curtis! I got a Curtis.
Mm.
You talk. You talk.
parang nakatali, no, daddy?
Dito, pwede sumugit to.
Nakatali, no?
Hindi yan. Pwede yan.
Necromancer!
Ito na, papas. We're gonna
spear.
explore the
Spear.
That's perfect for
Mysterious forest.
Ano yan, Dad?
Kinap drive tama kang kaya.
Kinap drive.
10 katao, kaso na yun.
Ayan.
Hi!
Ay, talaga.
Panda ko.
Taho.
Wala yung tao. Wala yung chicken.
Ayan. Baka dumaan dyan.
Agahan, kasi tayo si Mother. Parang marami akong memories.
Yeah.
Ano daw?
Kailan ba siya alis?
24.
March. Matagal na pala.
Kiss ko yung baby ka. Bye-bye. Say bye.
Bye! Don't touch my kilikila.
You wanna stay for one more day?
No, no, no. Yes,
What?
yes, yes.
Yes,
no,
yes,
no,
there.
no.
Yes, yes.
Yes, yes, yes. No, no, no. Yes, yes, yes. No, 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 no. Why? N-O, N-O, N-O.
Ano yun, ang paglaki nila, yan yung I'm just a kid. I want to smile, Genshin. It's gonna be your smile. Look here, 1, 2. Don't look so happy. Show your teeth now. Show your teeth smile. The smile that you want to go home na. Ayun na. One more night stay. Ayun, do that. Do that like that. Ayan. Look at the camera. Do the ano? Nag-smile na. Do the 6-7. 6-7. 6-7. 6-7.
Bro. Roll up to 6-7. What are you doing? What are you doing? She loved the 6-7.
White tanga sa akin.
No, there's the 6-7 on the car. 6-7.
We're going home now. Bye.
Now we're going back.
We're going back.
We're going to the beach. Then meron ka bang ano?
Let's go to the beach next.
Ay, taxi ba ma'am?
32.5.
Ano nakapag-decide ko?
65.
Ay, one way lang pala siya.
70, 75.
Nakakalob na mo rin din sedan.
90, 95, 100.
Oo, lungo.
100.
Di ba yan yung guide?
100 pesos. You're rich. You're rich.
Nakya mo.
You're rich.
Guide sila sa sayang yung
You're
300.
rich.
Ay, 600. Pero pag fixed season pa yata, 800.
No. Ito na.
Ano ba yung water?
We're gonna cross the river. Yeah.
River.
Oh, balok dito.
Ano, no?
Ano? Yung mga...
Let's go to the river.
Ito na yung mga...
Sir, will na lang magkana.
Kita ka rin.
Para mas...
Ah. Yun lang.
Bakit?
Nagkakasalubong.
Ay, meron. Kung one way lang.
Salitan yan.
Ano na, may separate tayo.
Ito, may sipit siya rin.
Kami na malaw.
Hindi, nagkasalubong.
Ito na.
We're going to pass the river.
What are you super excited?
See, it's adventure.
Yeah.
It's not even that adventure.
Look.
It's not a river.
Yan na, si Ma'am Mars. Ako, nag-video na.
I mean, it's just a river.
Ito.
Yan na.
Ano?
You don't know if you will pass. Yes,
Ano?
Si Sir Dilag.
Oh, hold on.
Let's go.
Let's go.
Okay, hold on. We're going to the river.
Oh.
Daddy, why is it red? Look, it's red. Means it's hyper fast.
It's a sport boat.
When it's red means it's hyper. When it is yellow, it is medium. But when it's blue, it's slow like a turtle.